Add 100 grams of margarine to mixture of 100 grams millet flour and 100 grams sorghum flour and mix. Crack 1 egg into a small bowl. Beat and add to the bigger mixing bowl. Use your hand to knead mixture into a dough. Continue to knead and flatten on flat surface. Roll dough into a ball. Sprinkle flour on surface. Place dough ball on surface, flatten, dust rolling pin with flour, and flatten evenly with smooth strokes. Take cookie cutter to form desired shape of cookies. Using a knife or spatula, carefully lift cookies from surface. Grease cooking sheet with margarine or butter. Dust a little flour inside the baking sheet. Carefully place cut cookies on baking sheet. Place baking dish into a preheated oven and bake at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Your millet and sorghum cookies are ready to serve.